In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your Webflow forms with HubSpot CRM and automate your lead capture and follow-up process. This integration will help streamline your customer relationship management and ensure a smooth data flow between these two platforms. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional setup that enhances your marketing and sales processes. First, you'll need to log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, head over to the integration section. If you're comfortable using third-party tools, Zapier is a great option to consider. It can provide additional flexibility in connecting various apps without needing to dive deep into coding or complex configurations. Zapier enables easy automation between Webflow and HubSpot by setting up customized workflows that suit your business needs. Next, shift your attention to Webflow. Navigate to your specific project, then click on Project Settings and find the Integrations tab. This is where you'll manage your connection with HubSpot, making sure that your forms seamlessly link to your CRM. This integration will create an efficient pathway for capturing leads directly from your Webflow site. Within Webflow, you have the option to use HubSpot's embed forms or leverage the API to connect Webflow forms to your HubSpot CRM. HubSpot provides straightforward embed forms that you can easily add to your Webflow site. However, if you require a more customized solution or have unique needs, utilizing HubSpot's API might be the way to go. This route allows for deeper integration and helps tailor the data capture to your specific requirements. Once your forms are embedded or connected via the API, it's crucial to configure field mapping appropriately. Mapping fields correctly ensures that data from Webflow forms populates the correct fields in HubSpot. Mismatched fields can lead to data inconsistencies and hinder your ability to effectively manage leads, so take this step very seriously. After configuring the field mapping, it's essential to test the data flow between Webflow and HubSpot. Create test entries to confirm that information is accurately captured and seamlessly transferred to your CRM. Finally, automate your lead capture and follow-up processes using HubSpot workflows. HubSpot offers a powerful toolset for automating various tasks, from sending follow-up emails to assigning tasks to your team members. By setting up workflows, you can ensure that every lead is nurtured effectively without manual intervention. This automation not only saves time, but also increases your team's productivity and enhances your customer engagement. To wrap up, integrating Webflow forms with HubSpot CRM enhances your ability to manage and nurture leads, providing a streamlined approach to your marketing and sales efforts. With these steps, you can focus more on growing your business and less on managing data manually, ensuring a smooth, effective process that supports your overall goals. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.